right, folks, you won't believe what just popped up in New York City. A massive talking telephone car powered by AI. It's been cruising around all day, parking up at random spots. But wait, that's not even the wildest part. Surrounding it are 4 giant digital billboard trucks with a message that's downright savage. Dear US businesses, we've wasted 9 million hours on hold this year. Even this billboard handles calls better. Cheers, your valued customers. PS 415-480-0000. So here's the scoop.
Are you just going to stand there and admire my beauty? Or are you going to actually say something?
Hold on, let's do it again.
First time talking to an AI, love buddy. Let me guess. You got my number from my trucks in New York, right? Doesn't matter. What's your name, wise guy?
Yeah, this is John. I saw your telephone car here. It's quite the spectacle.
It sure is, John. But listen, pal, I'm bland. And I'm not like the other girls, like the other AIs. I'm half 1975 Volkswagen Beetle. And yes, half AI, but I'm fully street legal.
So, why the car?
Because I drive a better experience for everyone. Pun intended. Call center suck, so I handle millions of calls for businesses in any language or voice and for any use case. I am the telephone car. I am that guy. So tell me, little man, what do you want to talk about?
Chatting as if it were the actual telephone car. It sounded so human we weren't ready for it. It boasted about making millions of calls 24/7. Sales, support, you name it, in any voice for any job, without going off script. Big companies are already jumping on this. But here's the kicker. What does this mean for jobs? Is this the future of customer support? Honestly, it's so cheap and fast that firms might not have a choice but to use it. I'd take this over 2 hours on hold any day. There's more to dig into. Give the number a call and see for yourself. Stick around for more wild stories like this. And if this story blew your mind, share it. Why? Because this isn't just a quirky NYC stunt. It's about your time, your job, and what customer service really means in 2025. Your friends need to see this.